This video will outline the pump and front cover methods that can be used to change the chain case fluid on a Polaris Indy VR1 with an 850 engine. Ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface. Set the parking brake. Clean the area around the fill plug. Placing a rag under the fill plug will help catch any escaping fluid. Remove the fill plug and set aside. To extract the fluid using the pump method, safely elevate the front of the snowmobile using a floor jack or appropriate lift. Insert the tube of the suction device into the fill hole. Direct the hose toward the bottom front area of the cover, away from the chain and sprocket. Extract the oil using the suction device. Then, safely lower the snowmobile to fill the chain case. To drain the fluid using the front cover method, remove the right side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, remove the fastener on the lower right side of the console. Then, remove the push rivet securing the lower right portion of the console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. If equipped with a battery, remove the battery and bracket. Remove the two fasteners, securing the lower fender to the chain case. Place a drain pan underneath the chain case. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Loosen but do not remove the 3 lower chain case cover fasteners. Carefully pry the cover open on the cover tab. Do not insert a screwdriver or pry bar between the cover and chain case, or seal damage may occur. Allow the fluid to drain completely. Reinstall the 3 cover fasteners and torque to specification. Fill the chain case through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Clean any dirt or debris from the fill plug. Inspect the O-ring on the plug and replace if necessary. Reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and properly dispose of the used fluid. Reinstall the fasteners securing the lower fender to the chain case. If needed, reinstall the battery bracket and battery. Connect the positive cable first. Next, reinstall the push rivet underneath the console. Then install the push rivet on the lower right portion of the console. Also reinstall the lower console fastener and torque until fully seated. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.